Order your iPhone FM transmitter today from the Gizmo guy on Facebook. To see it is to believe it, but to hear it is out of this world. Okay, here we are in a 2006 Jaguar X-Type R. I'm going to hook up the new device I just got to play the iPhone through the speakers. Plug in the bottom, and you can hear it picked up 87.9. I'm going to play. There you can hear the sound. I can really crank it up. Then if I want to take it off and go to another radio station, and you can hear the difference that's coming off a regular radio, and it's not as clear sound as here. I can pick another song. And I can tell all you Jag owners out there, for this setup with the fiber optic system, to buy the Jaguar OEM car kit, you can only buy that kit, will cost you around $700 to $800 plus installation. So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town, no problems with any static whatsoever.